Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best arts and crafts for 4-year-old girls is probably one of the most exciting and beneficial ways to foster creativity, fine motor skills, and imaginative play, offering a delightful avenue for young children to express themselves while developing crucial cognitive and physical abilities through a variety of engaging activities that can range from simple coloring and sticker fun to more intricate projects that encourage problem-solving and artistic exploration, making it a cornerstone of early childhood development and entertainment. Number 5. Dan&Darci Glow-in-the-Dark Rock Painting Kit. Spark your child's creativity with this magical art kit. They can design unique, eye-catching rock art that truly stands out. This comprehensive kit includes everything needed for amazing rock creations. It features glow-in-the-dark paints, brushes, glitter, and fun embellishments. The magic happens when the lights go out. These special paints illuminate their designs, bringing their rock art to life in the dark. Whether they're just starting or already a pro, this kit is perfect. The included tools make it easy to add precise details or cover larger areas. It's a fun and educational gift that captivates children. This engaging activity encourages creativity and provides a satisfying hands-on experience. This kit is great for solo adventures or group fun. It's a wonderful way for kids to express themselves and enjoy quality time. What we like. This kit offers a unique glow-in-the-dark feature that will mesmerize children. It comes with a wide array of accessories for endless customization. If you're looking for a creative activity that doubles as an educational STEM project, this is a fantastic choice for sparking imagination, especially for kids who love a bit of magic. What people say. This is a great gift for a 4-year-old girl. It has a lot of different activities and is very engaging. My daughter loves this art set. She has spent hours creating different masterpieces. The colors are vibrant and the materials are good quality. This is a fantastic product for young children. It encourages creativity and fine motor skills. The variety of art supplies included is impressive. Number 4. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Discover a world of imagination with over 520 colorful snap beads. This kit includes various shapes, sizes, and designs, plus extra hairbands, all in a convenient pink storage box. Let her create endless jewelry designs. Looking for a unique gift? This jewelry making kit is perfect for birthdays and holidays. It's designed to boost her creative thinking and practical skills, allowing her to craft beautiful accessories she'll love. Designed for children aged 3 to 8 and up, this toy requires no thread. The beads easily connect by simply inserting them, offering a fun and frustration-free crafting experience. She can enjoy creating a wide variety of styles. These beads are designed for little hands. They are incredibly easy to snap together and pull apart, making them perfect for toddlers and young children. She can experiment and remake her designs as often as she likes. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this toy meets international safety standards. It's the ideal present for birthdays, Thanksgiving, or Christmas, providing hours of safe and engaging fun. What we like. This jewelry making kit is perfect for little ones who love to create. The beads snap together easily without any thread, making it ideal for younger children. If your child enjoys making their own accessories and you want to foster their creativity and dexterity, this is a great option for hours of fun. What people say. This is a great gift for a 4-year-old girl who loves art and crafts. The kit includes a variety of materials that are perfect for little hands to use. It's a fun and engaging way for children to express their creativity. Number 3. Crayola Scribble Scrubbies Glam Pack. Introducing the Crayola Scribble Scrubbies Glam Pack. It's a fun and engaging way for kids to express their creativity. This set includes everything you need for hours of fun: a kid-powered bathtub, for adorable animal toys, 6 washable markers, and a scrub brush. Kids can color and customize their pets, then give them a bath to wash them clean and start the creative process all over again. Our washable markers make cleanup a breeze, easily washing from skin and most clothing. It's worry-free fun for everyone. Looking for a great gift for boys, girls, or toddlers? This toy is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Beyond just fun, it's a wonderful preschool learning toy that encourages imagination, self-expression, and fine motor skill development. Love these pets? You can grow your collection with additional expansion packs, sold separately. What we like? This set provides a fun, interactive way for kids to express their creativity with adorable pets. The washable markers mean no lasting mess, and the included bathtub allows for repeated play. If you're looking for a toy that encourages imaginative pet grooming and offers a clean, repeatable art experience, this is a wonderful pick for young animal lovers. What people say? This is a great kit for a 4-year-old. It has a lot of different activities and the instructions are easy to follow. My daughter loved this kit. She spent hours creating different crafts and was so proud of her finished products. The materials in this kit are high quality and safe for young children. The colors are vibrant and the textures are interesting. Number 2. Art Activity Unicorn and Princess Sticker Kit. Introducing a magical sticker art activity kit designed for little ones. It's perfect for sparking imagination and providing hours of mess-free fun. This complete set includes enchanting canvases and thousands of colorful stickers. You'll also find a charming unicorn pal to inspire creative play. Enjoy screen-free entertainment without the cleanup hassle. The stickers adhere easily to the canvases, keeping kids engaged anywhere. Each kit comes with a unicorn play pal, encouraging children to create stories and develop their imagination. It's endless entertainment for young minds. Looking for a unique gift? This art kit combines entertainment, creativity, and a touch of magic, making it ideal for birthdays and holidays. This activity helps develop hand-eye coordination, color recognition, and creativity. It's a fun way to foster holistic development in children. Its compact and travel-friendly design makes it a must-have for car rides and airplane journeys. Keep them entertained wherever you go. What we like? This sticker kit offers a completely mess-free art experience, perfect for on-the-go fun. It includes a delightful unicorn pal to encourage imaginative storytelling. If you need a quiet, engaging activity for travel or a simple, creative outlet at home that also boosts language skills, this is an excellent choice for young artists. What people say? This kit is packed with a variety of activities, including painting, drawing, and crafting. The materials are high quality and safe for children. My daughter loved the colorful beads and stickers included in the set. Number 1. SpringFlower Unicorn Arts and Crafts Painting Kit. Discover the magic of our unicorn painting kit. It's designed to spark creativity in young artists, offering hours of imaginative fun. This all-inclusive set comes with everything needed to bring 8 adorable unicorns to life. From paints and brushes to glitter glue, the creative possibilities are endless. Engage in a rewarding art activity that promotes STEM learning. It helps develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination and concentration while exploring color combinations. Make any occasion special with this delightful craft. It's an ideal activity for parties, playdates, or as a unique birthday or holiday gift for girls aged 3 to 8. Enjoy a mess-free crafting experience. The non-toxic paints are safe for children and easy to clean, ensuring a worry-free creative session. Our toy set is ASTM D4236 compliant and made with premium quality materials. We also offer a 180-day satisfaction guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like? This kit allows children to personalize their own unicorn figures with a vibrant array of colors. It's designed to be a safe and engaging activity that promotes creativity and color recognition. If your child is fascinated by unicorns and enjoys hands-on painting projects, this set is perfect for fostering artistic expression and providing hours of creative enjoyment. What people say? The kit is packed with a variety of activities, including painting, drawing, and crafting. My daughter loved the colorful beads and the easy-to-use glue sticks. The instruction booklet was clear and simple, making it easy for my child to follow along. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.